Windows with condensation on frames causing mold growth are a major pain, but you can totally fix this without stressing out. So, first off, you want to get that moisture under control because mold loves hanging out where it's damp. Start by using mold-resistant paints around your window frames. They're a game changer because they stop mold from setting up shop. Next, crank up the ventilation in the room, like opening windows when you can or using exhaust fans, especially in kitchens and bathrooms where moisture builds up the most. Wiping down window frames regularly helps too, just to keep things dry. You could also try using a dehumidifier if your place feels super muggy. Make sure your windows are properly sealed so outside moisture doesn't sneak in. If you notice any damaged caulking or cracks, get those fixed as soon as possible. Keeping your home warm enough also helps, since cold windows tend to collect more condensation. One of the biggest mistakes people make with condensation and mold on window frames is ignoring the problem until it's way too obvious. That just lets mold spread and mess up your walls and your health. Fix it by spotting and dealing with condensation early, like wiping it off daily. Another issue is poor ventilation. Lots of folks don't run fans or open windows enough, so moisture sticks around. The fix? Set a reminder to air out rooms regularly or install a fan if you don't have one. Lastly, some people skip on mold-resistant paint because it seems pricey or unnecessary, but that actually saves you money and hassle down the line. Just invest in good quality paint designed to stop mold, and you'll see the difference. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome if you want to find trusted local contractors who really know how to handle window issues and mold problems. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a great way to connect with homeowners looking for help on projects just like this.